Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So, earlier this week, Mozilla rolled out Firefox version 115, which is now the latest stable release. And as I mentioned in that video, which I'll leave a link to in the description, version 115 was a big update. It did include plenty new features, and we also received the all-important security updates that do roll out with every major version. Now, just a couple of days later, and Mozilla has already now released the first bug fix update for version 115, which started rolling out just a short while ago today, actually, on the 7th of July, 2023. So if you have experienced any issues in the browser since upgrading to version 115 earlier this week, then as always, I would suggest just double checking that you have this update installed sooner than later, which we can do by double checking and heading to the main menu, clicking on Help, About Firefox, and if the browser hasn't updated already in the background, this process will force the update to version 115.0.1. So we are dealing with the first point release for this latest stable version. Now this update is a bug fix update, and it only includes one bug fix, which fixes external software affecting Firefox according to the Bugzilla. And the bug fix is a fix that addresses a startup crash for Windows users with Kingsoft Antivirus installed, and that's the only fix that's rolled out. So if you have Kingsoft Antivirus installed on your Windows device and your Windows machine, and you have experienced the browser freezing or glitching or crashing, then just double check that you have this latest update 115.0.1, because according to Mozilla, this latest fix and this bug fix update will address those issues. And over and above that, there are no new features or any major changes. It's just a bug fix update that started rolling out a short while ago today on the 7th of July. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.